Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake squares. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready to go. Next, prepare your baking pan, typically a 9 by 13-inch pan, by greasing and flouring it well to prevent sticking. Then, combine your dry ingredients in a separate bowl, whisking them together for even distribution. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth batter. Once your dry ingredients are mixed, combine your wet ingredients such as eggs, milk, and oil. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry, mixing until just combined to avoid overmixing. Pour the batter evenly into your prepared pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool fully. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this guide, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more baking tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. It's a game changer. You can find the link and other awesome deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. After your cake has completely cooled, it's time to frost it. Spread your favorite frosting evenly over the entire surface. For neat squares, use a sharp knife, wiping it clean between each cut. You can achieve 16 to 24 squares from a standard 9 by 13-inch cake. Finally, add your personal touch with sprinkles, a fresh berry, or a simple chocolate drizzle for a beautiful finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.